Also, the second cake of this 3-cake assortment, which is my personal favorite, is Devil's Fury. And it's a 9-shotter. And the performance, let me get down on one knee here, is the Devil's Fury will be unleashed on the night sky with 9 big shots of a jellyfish effect. It features brocades with green, purple, and crackle. And the rating system here on the right, it's 5 on the height, 4 on the duration, 5 on the color, straight firing pattern, and 5 on the noise level. We got finally cake number 12.
Here we go. Hell yeah.
Nice, I love that. I love that glitter.
Still got any rings set up over there? Yeah, we got one. We still got a reload. All right, 4 reloads. Well, still got one to shoot off.
Nice.
I'm going to shoot the rack off and then we'll grab the other.
All right, that's it.